Hi my friends, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make a little mermaid pop-up card. This is probably a special gift for someone who loves Ariel. And here are what you need to make this card. First is white cardstock. In this video, I used 124 GSM cardstock. The second is double-sided tape and glue, a pencil, a cutting machine. If you don't have a cutting machine, you can use an art knife to cut out the template. And finally is the printer. Okay, I'll start with printing and cutting the template for making this card. Here are all the prints of the template. Don't forget you can find the link to download the template in the description below. Then, I'll cut them out with my cutting machine. Now I have pieces for mermaid assembly, a card base and a card cover. I will start with those pieces. I will stick the back and the front of the pieces together with glue. Okay, here we are. I'll mark the names of the pieces according find artboard 1 in the download files. This is artboard 1 that I printed. This is piece B. Similarly, this is piece 2. There is an assembly diagram in the template file. I'll print it out and follow the diagram to put the pieces together. First, I will put piece B to piece 2 at this point. The middle slot of each piece will be put together like this. Next, I will put piece C to piece 2. This is piece C. Piece C has the tab. The position of this tab is marked by a red stroke on the diagram. It's in the right. The small slot of piece 2 will be put into the middle slot on piece C. Next, I will put piece 3 to piece B and piece C. This is piece 3. There is a red stroke here. The tab of piece 3 is on the same side as the tab of piece C. Next, I will put piece 1 to piece B and piece C. Please note that the tab of piece 1 is behind piece B. The final step is piece A. Piece A will be put in the back of mermaid, so I will turn this over. In this diagram, the piece A tab is on the same side of piece 1 tab. As you can see, piece 1 tab is in the right, so is the piece A tab. I will put the slots together from right to left. Now I will attach the mermaid on the cat base. Put the tabs through the small slot. I will attach the tabs to the base with the double-sided tape. I will repeat the previous steps on the other side. Okay, let's leave them aside and move to the final steps. This is for the cover of the card. Oopsie, there is a little ink on my hands as I've just printed the cover of the card. But that's okay, let's go ahead. I will fold half this one. Then open it. Put the card base in the middle of the cover. I will add the double-sided tape on the 4 edges of the card base. Then I will stick it to the cover. I will do the same thing on the other side. Open the card and you'll see a mermaid on the stones pops up like this. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more pop-up card instructions from Paper Soul Craft. See you later.